Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Gmail account. So to log into your Gmail account, you can do this from the Gmail app as well as the browser. But for now, I'll simply do it in the Gmail app. Now simply open the Gmail app and on the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile icon and then tap the option add another account. Now, you'll only see your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen only when you already have an account on the device. But if you have none, you will be simply taken to this page and from here you can directly log into your Gmail account. Now, once you've reached this page, enter your email or your phone number, and once you've entered your email address or phone number, tap next and now enter your password. And once you've done that, tap next and there you have it. You have successfully logged in to your Gmail account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.